Hi friends, it's time for the math portion of our Christmas STEM projects. The materials you'll need to gather are your reindeer cutout, your straw, your pipette, and when we're done with this STEM project, you can use it for other science experiments that you try it on your own at home. You'll need a tape measure or a ruler, crayons, markers, colored pencils, and your data sheet. How far can you get Santa's reindeer to fly? Well, we're going to start with a story. This one's called Animals of the Arctic, and it's about reindeer. Life in the Arctic. Reindeer live in the cold taiga and Arctic biomes. They are found in North America, Europe, and Asia. Reindeer are called caribou in North America. You see this green? That's their range. That's where we can find reindeer. Double coats keep reindeer warm. Short hairs near the skin trap air and heat. Their outer hairs are hollow. These help reindeer stay warm and float in water. Arctic air is cold. Reindeer have a special bone inside their noses. The bone helps warm the air. They never have to breathe cold air into their lungs. Reindeer hooves change with the seasons. Soft hooves in the summer help them walk on soft ground. Their hooves become hard and furry during the winter. This keeps their feet warm, and that's called an adaptation. On the move, reindeer travel great distances in herds. Some migrate over 600 miles north each spring. They move to feed, have young, and escape insects that bite. Their conservation status is vulnerable, and their lifespan is 10 to 15 years. A flock or a bunch of reindeer together is called a herd. Reindeer begin to move again in the fall. They slowly move south to safe wooded forests. They feed and put on fat to get ready for the Arctic winter. Reindeer are herbivores. They eat many different types of plants depending on the season. They mostly eat lichens during the winter. There's a bunch of reindeer eating the lichens. Lichens grow under the deep snow. Reindeer use their front hooves and antlers to dig for this favorite food. They might eat lichens, but they might also eat blueberries and willow leaves. They eat grass, berries, flowers, and leaves in the summer. The Arctic is a hard place to live, but reindeer have adapted to their home. If you want, you can color your reindeer cutout. Oh, I bet this is Rudolph. I'm going to give him a red nose. What color nose are you going to give your reindeer? Let's take our reindeer cutout and get a piece of tape and tape our reindeer to the bulb part sticking out, so the pipette part will be away from the reindeer. So we've got our reindeer taped to our pipette. So then we're going to slide our reindeer and our pipette into the straw. All right, then with your pipette in the straw, take a ruler or a tape measure, lay it out on your floor, and get to the starting line, and then you're going to give your reindeer a good blow. Come over and we'll mark where it lands and record it on our data sheet. Now on your data sheet, record how far your reindeer flew on your first attempt. So my reindeer went 46 inches. Then it's time to think like an engineer. How can you get it to travel farther? Can you hold your straw at various angles or blow through it in different ways? What if you try standing at different heights? Try several different things and see what you can do to make your reindeer fly farther on your second attempt, your third attempt, and then answer the question, what made your reindeer fly the farthest? Thanks for taking home our take-home STEM kit, and I hope you had a great time. Thanks.